Gimpo Airport is a gateway to Seoul where thousands of people come through every day. The airport recently made some changes to its restrooms for the travelers. The airport installed a new hand dryer manufactured by SpaceLink, Biojangpung, in its restrooms. Thanks to the new hand dryers, travelers can now dry their wet hands effectively. All you need to do to dry your hands is just reach in. It is convenient for children and the disabled to use.
핸드드라이기 설치한 이후에 고객과 승객들의 반응도 매우 좋았고, 기존에 핸드페이퍼를 사용할 때는 비용이 많이 들었었는데 비용 절감의 효과도 생겼고, 그 핸드페이퍼가 여기저기 널려져 있거나 여기저기 물이 많이 튀는 그런 현상도 있었는데 그런 게 해결돼서 보다 청결한 화장실을 만들 수 있었습니다.
Biojangpung is an ultra-fast hand dryer that uses jet air technology to produce strong winds, allowing the hands to dry within 10 seconds. The sensors installed at the head detect the hands when they're thrust in and produce bi-directional winds. Most of the other hand dryers are horizontal types that use heat to dry the hands, and they produce weak winds that take 30 seconds to dry. But Biojangpung can dry hands in just 10 seconds.
저희 제품 같은 경우는 제트 기류 방식의 단시간에 양방향으로 토출되는 바람을 이용해서 손을 털어내는 방식으로 말리기 때문에 좀 더 짧은 시간에 말릴 수 있는 장점이 있다고 할 수 있겠습니다.
Biojangpung produces high-speed bi-directional compressed air to blow away the moisture on the user's hand. The excellence of the product has already been acknowledged with the product obtaining various international certification marks such as CE, CB, and NRTL, allowing it to be sold overseas. Various researches have already shown that washing hands thoroughly is most important when it comes to hygiene. Washing hands cleanly prevents the infection of germs and viruses, but it is more important to dry your hands thoroughly. Biojangpung dries hands fast and helps the users to keep their hands clean. According to the clinical test done at the College of Health Sciences at Yonsei University, the hands that were dried by Biojangpung for 10 seconds had less germs on them compared to hands dried using wet towels or other hand dryers. Using paper towels incur high costs, increased amount of trash, and the difficulty in managing the facilities. Biojangpung employs a 3-level filtering system that is more hygienic than other hand dryers. The first filter sifts out the big dusts, while the second filter eliminates odors using phytoncide, and the third filter eliminates harmful minute viruses. The clean air that has been processed by these filters dries users' hands. SpaceLink, the manufacturer of Biojangpung hand dryers, will continue to grow into a company that takes into consideration not just sanitary control, but also the health and convenience of users.